Hello and welcome back everyone. In today's video we are going to see how to use WalletConnect option in the Connect wallet on this website. For many of you might be getting Injected Unsupported. For them it's a better option to go with. So you need to have MetaMask installed on your device and you need to be on Polygon mainnet network. I have created separate videos on how to add a new network, but for now we are going to see how to use WalletConnect option on your mobile device. In this example I am using an Android device, so keep watching. The first option will be not clickable. You need to select the WalletConnect option, which is the second one. Click on the WalletConnect. Now you will see that there is a button which says connect. The moment you click on connect, all of the wallets which are compatible in your mobile device will be listed. So right now you can see there is MetaMask. You can click on MetaMask. Can you see it's asking me for permission? Now if you click on connect, it will say connected to the website, go back to the browser. Now you would see what to do. Click back button or go to the website. Automatically this page should now reflect with which wallet you have connected. Okay, so now can you see on the top right this option? This is the wallet that we have connected with MetaMask, right? Congratulations, you have successfully connected your wallet to this website. Feel free to watch my another video uploaded on how to mint using mobile. Namaskar.